Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll cover the if-else statement. So let's begin by revising what we did in the previous tutorial. So this was the code which we wrote in the previous tutorial. If this condition is true, then this code will be executed. Now if we take this construct, then if the condition is true, then we have a facility of writing the code. But if the condition is false, then we don't have any facility for writing the code. So the only way we could write it maybe probably after completing the if statement. Let's say sysout the value is not 9. Okay, but this won't give you the desired output. Let's say if we run the program in this case, okay, so I'll run the program. So you're getting it twice, because when this is evaluated true, this will be executed, and this will as it is get executed because it is outside the if statement. So this is the limitation of the if statement, and for that reason we have a if else construct. Now when I use the if else statement, I'll just have to write an else over here, which will be followed by curly braces. Okay, so I'll just shift this statement from here to here. Okay, so now it works like this. So if this statement is true, then this code will be executed. Okay, and if it is false, then this code will be executed. Okay, so that is the simple working of an if else statement. Now let's run the program. Yeah, as you can see, since the statement is true, only this part is executed and not this part. So let's change the value to 8. Now when the statement, this expression will be evaluated, this will return false, and as a result this statement won't get executed and it will directly go to the else part. Okay, so let's run the program. Yes, as you can see, it directly went to the else part. Okay, so that is the working of an if else statement. And again guys, just one more point, like in this statement, in this condition part, this is just a simple expression. Like this can be really big expression, and the final output of that expression will be taken into consideration. Like we have a long mathematical expression in the condition. Okay, so for simplicity purpose, I've just used a simple expression, but it can be really big. Okay, so that was just one point which I wanted to make. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.